Good morning and welcome back to Neko Nation Japan. This is Jeremy coming at you. Today we're going to have some interesting updates for the month of April 2021. Really getting close to those goals. Not too bad. We're going to see what happens. So right now, jumping over here, we're at a total of $85,299.52. Getting really close to that 100K milestone. Then we're going to look at our total dividends. So we have $81.52 in our Roth account. In our individual account, we have $60.11 coming in. And the custodial account, we have $33.21. Great dividend payments this month of April. I can't wait to show you all the way through it. Let's get going. Our Roth account, we have $50,894.69. Individual account, $25,302.98. Custodial account, $9,101.85. Very nice. All right, let's look at our totals. So from January, look at this, up over 10,000 in 4 months. It's kind of ridiculous. It's January, 74,000. February, 77,000. March, 81,000. Now we're looking at April, $85,299.52. That's quite the growth curve that I like to see. All right, let's look at our dividends so far. So our rolling monthly average, so average of all the months in this year, is $127.98. Not bad, but I want to see that grow. I want to see this get to about $1,000 every month, and it's going to have to get a lot higher in order to achieve that goal, that's for sure. So we're looking at January, little payments, only $11.12. That's okay. February, $59, getting a little better. March, $266.39. Much better. And April, it's okay, $174.84. Now, since mid-February or so, I bought some O shares and a few other monthly payers. So now every month we're gonna have a minimum of about $36 we're gonna receive, so which is awesome. So we're looking at our dividend payments throughout the years. So starting all my accounts, only the Roth account in 2017 I started with. So in that year of 2017, I have $319. Moving to 2018, $407, not bad. 2019, $652, getting better. 2020, $1,408. So far this year, only 4 months in, $511.93. Let's look at our individual stocks, exactly what I hold and what actually paid me this month. So our AT&T, nothing there, holding 102.9 shares. Apple, nothing there this month, but 86.9 shares. I really like that. I want more. Coca-Cola got a pretty decent payment this month of $45.80. Coca-Cola dividend payment this month, $45.80, resulting in a total amount of shares of 109.907 shares for the month. Dow, no payments there, still just 98 shares. ExxonMobil, no payments to this month, still 56 shares. Johnson & Johnson, 11 shares. McDonald's, 7 shares. Microsoft, 15 shares. And as I said, I've recently acquired O shares, so right now we are up to 152.544 shares. We received $35.7 this month of April, and just keeps on growing and growing. I want to see it grow every month. Compared to other stocks, I'm getting about $90 per quarter. So not bad. All right, we're looking at our individual account. So North American Tanker, we went from 421 shares to 423.8 shares. Not bad. Dividend payment of $8.43. Next, we have the Carnival Cruise Corporation. Still waiting on those shares. I hope they start to recover soon, because I would like to see the dividend payments, get them back to normal, see the price appreciation, but we'll see. So Coca-Cola, we received our $43.07, and result in I bought a share, so again 0.9 something shares. So total of 103.361 shares. Not bad. Dow Chemical, nothing there. Nordstrom, nothing there. Tapestry, nothing there. Toll Brothers, we received $8.61, resulting in 0.1 shares. It's okay. I'm up to 50.796 shares. Not bad, but the price appreciation on this one has been tremendous for us. We're going to see what we're going to have to do about that in the future. Walgreen Boots Alliance, our Kimco Realty Trust, still just our 52 shares. Mac REITs, 50.5 shares, and we just bought this month Stag. So we went from 0 shares to 5 shares. And we're just trying to see compared to LTC, which I'm going to show you right now. North American Tanker, we received just a small payment of $2.11, which resulted in about 0.5 shares. It's not bad. Carnival Cruise Corporation is holding on to 50 shares, watching the price go up. Coca-Cola, not too bad there. Received $21.54, so about a half a share there, resulting in 51.679 shares. Not bad. Toll Brothers, another $8.61, resulting in 0.1 shares. So now we have 50.796 shares. Still great price appreciation. Kim Realty, nothing there. And our LTC is another monthly dividend payer. So we have our 5 shares, which then resulted in, I bought a share this month and it paid me out 95 cents, and we got 0.022 shares. It's something. It's going to compound every month, so it's getting better and better. We're going to have to see. I want to put more money in this, the LTC and our Stag, and see what we can do about those. Very good. All right. So in conclusion, what did we do this month? How did we do? So from our starting Roth account values, we have 28,542.17 cents. We received a Roth dividend payment of 81.52 this month, and our total account is $50,894. Our total Roth account value, $50,000. This is just still weird to say. $50,894.69. Awesome. Then we started out with our individual account, $15,000. This month we get $60.11 for dividend payment, up to $25,302.98. Then our custodial account, starting out with $5,007, with a total dividend payment this month of $33.21, resulting in a total account value of $9,101.85. Total value, all accounts combined, $85,299.52. With that, thank you very much for stopping in Echo Nation Japan. Please like and comment below. See exactly what you want to see in these monthly dividend updates. I want to get a little bit of feedback from you to find out what you would like to hear. Thank you very much, and sayonara.